Jai Gurudev students. Now, this is the fourth chapter of organic chemistry, okay, named nitrogenous compound. That means the compound containing nitrogen along with carbon and hydrogen. Such compounds like amines, cyanides, isocyanides, nitro and nitrite like compounds. Okay, in the last of the chapter there is one more content, diazonium salt. Okay, but the diazonium salt is deleted from our chapter, that is the last content is deleted. So now up to the chapter which is introduces to us, I am giving you some videos about it. Okay, nitrogenous compounds. These compounds, students, plays very important role in our daily life. Okay, large number of compounds are there belonging to it, which are also uses for fragrances. These compounds also have use of alkaloids, that is they are of what, alkaloids. Also many of these compounds are highly dangerous, that is like explosive compounds are also there. Okay, nitro, we are calling nitrobenzene, trinitrobenzene or trinitrotoluene, such compounds like TNT. Okay, so I am starting very first about classification. Classification. Okay, based on number of R. Okay, directly attach to N. That is what? Nitrogen. Okay, as we know, amines are derived by ammonia. Like here, if you call NH3 minus H plus R will become RNH2. Okay, this is called 1 degree or primary amine. 1 degree or primary amine. Okay, here 1 R is directly attached to N. So this is called 1 degree or primary, as we have already seen in the classification, earlier compound classification. Now one more, if H is removed from this compound and one more R is added, then now the compound become R and N, and this is what, H. This is called 2 degree or secondary amine. Getting? One more H is present there. So if this is substituted by one more R, okay, then it will become R. This is N and R. Now here 3 number of R's are directly attached to nitrogen. Therefore this is called 3 degree or tertiary amines. Student, very important thing is what? Directly attached to N. Okay, that should be directly attached. Like for example, if we say NH2 and this is CH3, CH2, then although there is 3 number of carbon, but with nitrogen only 1 carbon is directly attached. Therefore this is called what? 1 degree. This is called what? 1 degree. That means what? That means to find the primary, secondary and tertiary amine, we have to see how many numbers of alkyl group are directly attached with the nitrogen, this central nitrogen. So this is one of the type of classification. The second type of classification is aliphatic amine. Okay, aliphatic amine, that is, you can simply call it what? Alkyl amine. Okay, like here we can call RNH2 Okay, or we can call it R2NH, or we can call it R3N. Getting? Or you replace R by CH3, then this is CH3NH2, or you can write CH3 twice NH, or you can write C2H5 thrice N. Okay, this is kind of what? Alkyl amine. Getting? This is number A. And number B, if there is benzene ring attached with R. Okay, if benzene ring attached with R, attached with R, so again attached with N, that is nitrogen. Like here, suppose there is a benzene ring and there is one what? NH2. This is called phenylamine. Phenylamine or phenylamine, or the simple more useful name is what? Phenylene. Getting? Again, that could be classified on the basis of number of benzene ring. Like here, if NH, and now again there is one benzene ring, then now it becomes what? Diphenyl, triphenyl, etc. Are you getting? Even more number of NH2 may be attached with the same benzene ring. With the same benzene ring, whenever it will be called primary amine. But if two numbers of benzene ring are attached, then this is called aromatic amine. Okay, one more possibility is there, mixed amine. Okay, now mixed amine means what? Mixed amine means R, that is alkyl radical, plus what? Benzene ring. Alkyl radical plus benzene ring. Like here, suppose there is a benzene ring and there is N, this is what? H, and now it is attached with R, or you replace it by any other compound. Like here, N, H, and this is what? CH3. Now that becomes methyl phenylamine. What is it? Methyl phenylamine. Methyl phenyl and what? Amines. Amines are the compound containing one N, isn't it? Now, as here we have seen tertiary, but if this compound reacts with any hydroiodic acid like HX acid, or one more, you can call it RX, alkyl halide. Getting? Then what will possible? Say N, already there is 1R, 2R and 3R, so fourth R also will be attached. Okay, this is by transferring of lone pair electron. Getting? Thus now it will acquire plus sign and there is what? X. This type of amine is called quaternary ammonium salt. Yeah, amine salt. Quaternary ammonium salt or amine salt. Okay, they play very important role. They are called biodegradable detergent. Okay, cationic detergent. Now that is, these are in the category of detergent. Yes.